KV Physics Academy. Quantum question 40 number. A free particle of mass m moves along x-axis. It is described by wave function. What is the wave function? Psi of x is equal to 1 upon 2 pi alpha bracket is to 1 by 4 exponential minus x square upon 4 alpha square plus ix. The acceptation value of momentum in this state is acceptation value of momentum. Okay. Here is a momentum operator P is equal to, we know that momentum operator P is equal to minus ih cross dou upon dou x. This one is a momentum operator P minus ih cross dou upon dou x. Always memorize here one trick. Minus infinity to plus infinity. Minus infinity to plus infinity f of x dx. F of x dx is equal to 0 non-zero. Okay. This is equal to 0. This is equal to how much? 0 if f of x is odd. If f of x is odd. Okay. Means here odd function even limit. Odd function even limit 0. Got it? Odd function even limit 0. And second one, this is not equal to 0 if f of x is even. F of x is even. Means here function also even and limit also even. Function also even and limit also even. This is equal to how much? Non-zero. Means here we need to solve this example. Got it? And the second one, suppose here is limit is 0 to infinity. 0 to infinity. F of x dx is equal to, yes again, this is equal to 0. This is equal to 0. If f of x, suppose we can take here is not equal to 0. F of x is odd. Okay. F of x is odd. Means here limit also odd. 0 to infinity means here limit is odd. Function also odd, non-zero. Next, this is equal to 0 if f of x is equal to how much? F of x is equal to even. Okay. And this trick is strongly applicable for limit must be 0 to infinity or minus infinity to plus infinity. Always memorize this thing. Minus infinity to plus infinity, limit is even, function odd, 0. Minus infinity to plus infinity, limit even, function even, non-zero. Means here we need to solve this example. Next, 0 to infinity means limit is odd, function odd, non-zero. Limit odd, function even into odd, 0. Got it? This is a two trick. And third one, here we need to use the gamma integral, 0 to, always memorize, gamma integral we can use only if the limit must be 0 to infinity. X to the power m e to the power minus ax to the power n dx. Okay. This is equal to how much then? 1 upon n gamma m plus 1 upon n divided by a to the power m plus 1 upon n. M plus 1 upon n. This is the three things is very important for solving these questions. Okay. Now we know that finding the any acceptation A is equal to, we can use the two methods. What is by integration method? Last problem we can use the brackets method. But here no need to use the bracket method. Here we can use which method? Integration method. Then psi star A psi dx. Psi star A psi dx. Now psi of x is equal to this one. Then psi star become imaginary. Acceptation of momentum P is equal to here. Power is to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. 1 by 4 into 1 by 4 means 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. 2 by 4 become 1 upon 2 pi alpha bracket is to 1 by 2. Got it? 2 pi alpha bracket is to 1 by 2. Why? Because here is a multiplication, psi into psi star. Then power is addition. Next, limit minus infinity to plus infinity. Minus infinity to plus infinity. Here we can take the complex conjugate. Then this become e to the power minus x square upon 4 alpha square. 4 alpha square. Here we can take the complex conjugate. Then imaginary part will be changed. Then this become minus ikx. Minus ikx. This is a psi star. Coefficient take common out. Into minus ih cross dou upon dou x. Okay. And what is the psi here? Psi e to the power minus x square upon 4 alpha square plus ix into dx. Got it? Into dx. Now, then this is equal to how much? 1 upon 2 pi alpha. Bracket is to 1 by 2. Limit minus infinity to plus infinity. E to the power minus x square upon 4 alpha square. Minus ikx. Okay. And similarly, minus ih cross also we can take common out. Then what is the remaining? Take the derivative of this function. Derivative of this function is minus x square derivative is 2x upon 4 alpha square 4 alpha square 4 alpha square plus ix derivative plus ix derivative is simply I plus ix derivative is simply I into e to the power minus x square upon 4 alpha square plus ix into dx into dx. Got it? Now next minus I h cross upon 2 pi alpha bracket is to how much 1 by 2. Okay, limit minus infinity to plus infinity. Now splitting this one, then this become minus 2 upon 4 alpha square x e to the power minus x square upon 4 alpha square, and here plus minus get cancel into dx. This one is the first integration. Second integration, plus I limit minus infinity to plus infinity. I we can take common out, e to the power minus x square upon 4 alpha square into dx. Got it? Now here limit is minus infinity to plus infinity, means the limit is even. Function here x is odd, here function is even. Odd into even is odd always. This is in a function, not in a number. Odd into even is a even. Got it? Means here function is odd. Function odd. Odd function even limit. Odd function even limit how much? 0. How much? 0. Means this part is equal to 0. Got it? Now focus on second one. Second one, minus infinity to plus infinity. Here we cannot use the gamma integral. Here we can use the minus infinity to plus infinity formula. E to the power minus x square dx is equal to root pi by alpha. Root pi by a. Here I into I. Minus I h cross upon 2 pi alpha bracket is to 1 by 2. Bracket is to 1 by 2. Okay. This is equal to how much then? Okay. X square upon, okay, here 1 to get cancel. 1 to get cancel. Okay, 2 alpha square. 2 alpha square. Yes or no? Here is a minus x square by 4 alpha square. Minus x square by alpha square. This become 2 upon 4 is a 1 by 2. Into integration root pi upon alpha. Root pi upon alpha. Pi upon a. A is equal to how much here? 1 upon 2 alpha square. 1 upon 2 alpha square. Okay. 1 upon 2 alpha square. 1 upon 2 alpha square. I into I square minus 1. Minus into minus plus. H cross upon 2 pi alpha bracket is to 1 by 2 into, coming to the numerator this value, then this become 2 pi alpha square. 2 pi alpha square. Got it? Now this 2 to get, this 2 get cancel. This pi get cancel. Here is alpha square. Alpha square. This is equal to how much? H cross upon root alpha into root alpha square. Okay. This root alpha square can be written as H cross upon root alpha. Alpha square can be written as root alpha. As any problem? Root alpha. Okay, take inside alpha into alpha square, root alpha square. Got it? Or we cancel the 1 alpha, then this become H cross root alpha. Means which option is correct? Option number B is correct for this case. So many guys we think that the acceptation value of momentum for this case is equal to how much? 0. Yes, no problem. But for which case? Function is a real function. A real function, acceptation px 0. Acceptation px 0. Suppose this function, they ask pointed out the acceptation of x. This also 0. Only if function is imaginary. We can find out the acceptation of x for this case. How much? 0. Yes or no? Simply x into this. X is odd function. Odd into even. Odd function, even limit 0. Got it? Means function is imaginary. Acceptation x 0. Function is real. Momentum px is equal to how much? 0. Got it? This is a two important quantities for this case.